Okay, let's try this, guys. I have this fluffy brush. I'm gonna use this blush. Let's try. Oh yeah, it's okay. Not bad. It's not very intense and it's good. I like it. It's nice. Backstage concealer. Oh, what do you know? This is a number Celestial Glow. Celestial Glow number 6006. It's nice. Just do it like that way. Simple look. It's better. Just like that. Okay. Okay, bronzer. Let's see. Just put that top, like a topper. Oh, it's not bad. Wow, nice. Simple, not very intense, so light. You have to build up though. Build it up, copycat. Okay, the highlight, I'm going to use this one. Wow. More, add more. This is not intense. And I think I'm gonna use this one on my Pro Bond. Yeah, perfect.